In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an eBay order for non-payment. This can be an essential skill for sellers, as occasionally a buyer might win an auction or make a purchase, but then fail to complete the payment process. If you're ready to clear out those unwanted transactions, just follow along with this step-by-step guide. To start, head over to eBay's website. Once you're there, it's important to sign in to your account, which you can do from the top left corner of the home page. Simply click on Sign In, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find My eBay. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Selling link. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your eBay sales activities. Within the Selling section, search for the Orders tab. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all transactions associated with your account, including those that are still pending payment. At this point, you might not see any listings if you're following along with this tutorial without transactions, but typically this is where your active listings and orders will be displayed. Now, our goal is to identify transactions that are marked as awaiting payment. These are the orders we need to focus on canceling. Find the specific order you'd like to cancel and click on it to reveal more options. A drop-down menu will appear under this order, and you want to select the option labeled Cancel Order. When prompted to specify a reason for the cancellation, you'll want to choose Buyer Hasn't Paid. This effectively communicates to eBay that the buyer hasn't completed their end of the transaction, allowing for the order to be officially canceled. After selecting the appropriate reason, go ahead and submit the cancellation request. This informs eBay that you wish to terminate the transaction based on the buyer's failure to pay. It's worth noting that once this request is processed, eBay will notify the buyer of the cancellation. With the cancellation complete, you have the opportunity to quickly relist the item. This puts your product back on the market and makes it available to other prospective buyers, increasing the likelihood of completing a successful sale with someone ready to complete the purchase. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide on how to cancel an eBay order due to non-payment. We hope this video helps you manage your sales more effectively. If you found it useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.